As we said before, people should use fewer fossil fuels to stop global warming. Should people rely on nuclear power or on renewable energy in the future? Let's discuss together what does the renewable energy resources do to our environment. We should know their advantages and disadvantages first. Concerning the advantages, they never run out because they are always being replenished by natural processes, as we have mentioned before. They do not produce greenhouse gases or acid rain, unlike fossil fuels. They do not create radioactive waste products, unlike nuclear power. And they can be used to where connection to the national grid is uneconomical. For example, solar cells can be used for road signs to glow at night and to provide people with electricity in remote areas. Now, concerning the disadvantages of renewable energy resources, well, renewable energy resources are not currently able to meet the world demand of electricity, so fossil fuels are still needed to provide some of the energy demand. Wind turbines create whining noises which can upset people nearby. Barrages affects river estuaries and the habitats of creatures and plants out there. Hydroelectric schemes need large reservoirs of water which can affect nearby plants and animals' habitats. Habitats are often flooded to create them. Solar cells need to cover large areas to generate high amounts of power. Some renewable energy resources are not available all the time or can be unreliable. For example, solar power doesn't work at night and is affected by cloudy weather. Wind power is reduced when there's a little or no wind. And hydroelectricity is affected by droughts when reservoirs dry out.